We are driving tractors into the Prey Long Forest. There's a lot of deforestation, and so a large group of us, about 120 Cambodians mostly, are going to plant trees and meet one of the communities here who patrol the forest and document incidents of deforestation. We are planting quite a few varieties that are endemic to Cambodia. One of them is rosewood. It's a very valuable type of tree for loggers, so they've really cleared out a lot of them, so we're going to plant more.
ជំរាបសួរ ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះវិបុល ហើយខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តថាដើមឈើគឺមានសារៈប្រយោជន៍ច្រើនសម្រាប់មនុស្សដែលនៅលើផែនដីជាពិសេសព្រៃឈើវាជួយការពារទឹកជំនន់ការពារខ្យល់ព្យុះហើយធ្វើឲ្យផែនដីពោពេញដោយពណ៌បៃតងហើយនឹងមានបរិយាកាសល្អជួយកាត់បន្ថយជាតិពុល
This is a semi-evergreen lowland forest, and it's the largest and last remaining one of its kind in Southeast Asia. Today we're planting about 1,400 trees in this area that's been deforested. Cambodians are organizing forest patrols across Prey Long to catch illegal loggers and stop them from cutting trees.
ខ្ញុំឈ្មោះឈុនលីហើយខ្ញុំធ្លាប់បានទៅប៉ត្រូលព្រៃឡង់កាលទៅល្បាតព្រៃឡង់4ខេត្តក្រុងកាលពីឆ្នាំ2015ហើយពេលនោះពេលយើងទៅជាមួយនឹងសហគមន៍គាត់បានលឺសំឡេងអាណាយន្តអញ្ចឹងគាត់បានផលិតម៉ាស៊ីនមកម៉ូតូរបស់គាត់ហើយគាត់នាំគ្នាដើរទៅអញ្ចឹងមកពេលដែលយើងដើរប្រហែលជា 3 ទៅ 4 គីឡូបើយើងប្រើពេលរយៈពេល 2 ទៅ 3 ម៉ោងហើយយើងដើរទៅហើយនៅពេលដែលយើងជួបជាមួយនឹងបទល្មើសហើយបទល្មើសឃើញពួកយើងគេនាំគ្នារត់គេតម្លាក់អីវ៉ាន់អីចោលអញ្ចឹងគេរត់ហើយបន្ទាប់មកយើងឃើញឈើដែលវាមានកាត់ហើយនឹងសល់តែអាណាយន្តឬក៏គ្រឿងដែលគេញ៉ាំអីអញ្ចឹងហើយដូច្នេះសកម្មជនគាត់បានចុច GPS ដើម្បីដឹងទីតាំងថាព្រៃហ្នឹងនៅកន្លែងណាដែលគេកំពុងតែមានការបំផ្លាញអញ្ចឹងហើយពេលដែលគេកាត់ពេលណាគេកាត់ឈើធំមួយគឺឈើតូចៗទាំងអស់គឺវាចាប់ផ្ដើមបាក់ឬក៏ខូចជាច្រើនអីអញ្ចឹងចាយើងមើលទៅដូចស្ដាយមែនទែនដូចមានពេលមួយគេបានកាត់ដើមតាត្រាវហើយសកម្មជនគាត់បាននិយាយថាប្រហែលជាវាអាយុវា 1000 ឆ្នាំវាខ្ពស់ជាងខ្ញុំ
They had the transporter, so what the community did, they took the bell and the cover of the gasoline, so they cannot mobilize. Then 7 o'clock at night, very dark, about 6 of them came back with the knife, long knife. Yeah, they actually attempt to rob those things back, but fortunately we had our police with us with rifle, so the police step up and say, what do you want? So he has his rifle, and then the moment they know that the police was there, they calmed down and they said, I want to negotiate to get my thing back. And the community said, you get to the wrong person, we don't negotiate. And if you don't like it or you want it back, you go to the district authority to get it back. And the illegal logger, they know they cannot go to district authority or they will be handcuffed.
If you're curious about what you can do to help with the Prey Long Forest, consider planting trees where you're at. The whole world needs more trees. Secondly, click one of the links below to donate to the future of planting trees in Cambodia or environmental sustainability. Finally, before you buy some wooden furniture, make sure it's ethically sourced, because if you don't know where your lumber comes from, that's no good. Thank you for watching. Feel free to share and subscribe. Let's make the planet a greener place for everybody.
A special thanks to Peace Bridges Organization, a local Cambodian NGO that organized the tree planting event in the Kabal Kala Community Forest, which is part of the Prey Long Forest.